Hi everyone, doing another video here. This one is pick up with or without changes. I'm just going to show you here. I'm logged in as Julie. This is her home screen. If I click on ads to be worked on for something to pick up, it's going to show the different ads that are available. Now recognize the ads to be worked on have to be in a status of new to be able to pick them up. And in this case, they're between October 15th and October 24th. That's the 10 days out. I just happen to book this ad on the 31st, so it's not going to show up in this list. But you can, 115972. If I type it in there and search for it, that's the ad that we're looking at. Okay, I get the actual booking. You click on the hyperlink or the ad itself. And there's two things on the right-hand rail here. One is pick up previous ad and one is upload files. We do not want to use upload files when we're doing a pickup of an ad. We want to pick up previous ad. One of the things I want to point out here, assets received currently is in a status of none. The reason why I want to point that out is if you're doing a pickup without any changes, leave this assets received to none. I know that's contradictory to what we've said in the past because you want to alert the designers via this tag that it's ready, complete, ready to build. But in a case where you're picking up with no changes, you need the system to do it, and you don't want a designer to accidentally interrupt that system. So wanted to make sure that you're clear on that. So I click on pick up previous ad. Brings us to a new search criteria with filters. And if you know the IO number, that's great. If you know the date range, that's wonderful. You know what advertiser you're going to look at. I'm just going to hit in, actually go in here, type in Pueblo de Sol, PU brought it up. And I'm just not going to hit anything else and click on that. So here's a list of the advertisers, Pueblo de Sol. And I booked a 2x4 on my original one with color. So if I click on one of these, there it is. Size and color match. Because the size and color match, I can pick up with no changes. Now if I pick it up with no changes, again, you do not change that flag. You allow the computer to just pick it up. If you're picking it up with changes, you do want to change that flag to complete, ready to build, because a designer is going to pick it up. So let's click on pick up with changes so that you understand. We hit OK. We get to our room build. Oh, I had already done it as an example. So it's here. You click on one, change price to $173.26, pick up ad with changes, and then you're done. This ad is scheduled, pick up, blah, blah, blah. Now, because I've asked for changes, complete, ready to build. Again, if it was pick up with no changes, then you would not have to change this asset receive toggle at all. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.